So is there a mice inside this? Ah! Aha! It's a robin! Hey, Mom. Guess what, Mom? Hey, Mom. It's a robin.
Oh my goodness! Oh!
Hear me?
It's a robin.
A Michigan robin. Yeah, it's. You want to get it or not? I can't get it. He's behind. I found it. That's what the squeaking noise was. It wasn't a mouse. It was a. I don't know. Ask the babies that. Where is it, guys? It was. Oh, there it is. Right here. Ready? Right there. See it? Right where the bag is. See where the bag is at? The birdie right there. See, there's the bird.
Still alive?
Yeah, it's barely alive, but the cats stole it. See it?
It's a fence.
I didn't. I thought it was a.
It just got behind the back.
Oh yeah. Oh crap. The cats. So yeah.
Fit.
Got him?
Yep.
Okay, Grandma. Is he still? I'm surprised he's still living. Get him out of here before the kitty sticks with a toy and take it with him. They shouldn't be going out. Up we go. Oh. No, 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 no.